Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Now, you might be wondering, why do I have a scissors in my hand? Because I'm going to unbox my beautiful Coach bag, okay? So, I don't know if y'all can see I'm opening it, okay? I want y'all to see when I'm opening it, okay? Wait. Oh my god. I can see it already. It came so fast. Okay. Oh my god, let me pause. Oh my god. Let's go see how it looks. Oh my god. I literally want to cry my eyes out right now. Okay. I'm gonna open this bag and then wait so y'all can see it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't want to mess with the... Oh my god. Guys. This is like it comes with the piece of thing that comes with the bag. Oh my god. Let me just keep it in hand. This is the handle of the bag. And this is it. Oh my god. Let me take off the rest of the tape. Oh my god, guys. There's some more stuff, but look how it looks. Hold on, let me pause and get these things. Oh my god. Look at this beautiful, cute Coach bag. And let me see, this is what it looks on the inside. So you can put your little stuff in here. Oh my gosh. So you can put your little stuff in here. Okay. This is so cute. See, this is what it looks like in the inside. You can put your little, like, your wallet, your ID, your cards. And then this side of the bag is the same thing as well. Oh my god. I love this bag already. So, this is what it looks like. See, this side and this side. Very, very cute. I'm just gonna close it. Oh man, oh man, oh man. This looks so cute, guys. I really love the bag already. Oh my god. It's small, but look, if you're a person that likes to go out in fashion, you just, you know, you have to put these on it. This little keychain that comes with the bag. And you would have to tuck it in like this. This is what it looks like. Coach bag. Very, very cute. I love this bag. Now you might be wondering, how did I get this bag? How did I get this bag? Alright, let me tell y'all a little story. Let me pause and tell y'all. I want to tell y'all how I saw this beautiful bag right here. Isn't she cute? I love it. So I'm going to tell y'all how I got this bag. So yesterday I was on Instagram. Okay, I was on Instagram yesterday. And it basically shows you all these other type of bags. So when I saw this bag and I'm like, this looks nice. So I said, you know what? I can't be obsessed because I see the hearts on it. And it's a heart bag. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to order it because I really, really like this bag. And what I did is, of course, I created a Coach account. That's what you have to do. Create a Coach account. And then you see what types of bags they have. They even have like shirts and stuff like that. But I'm like, girl, I'm into a purse, okay? I love bags so much. Now I'm gonna start rocking this with my outfits and everything like that. Like, girl, like, this looks so cute, okay? So if you're interested, you just download the Coach account and then you create an account and then you order this bag. But oh my god, honestly, I love this bag so till like I don't care what anybody says. It's just too cute. Now if I wanted to go out, like of course you can't put a lot of stuff. Of course, information I would put in this bag. And it's a heart. It's so cute. Yeah, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this beauty. I think she's cute. She's beautiful. I really like it. You can wear it anyhow, but I rather wear it like this because you never know what can happen. But I love this bag. I love this bag. I cherish this every single day. And yeah, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this beautiful Coach bag. Oh my god, I literally want to cry just looking at it. It's so cute. I love it already. Like I would cherish this bag forever. Like I love it. 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 Okay. But other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Love you. Be safe. Enjoy yourselves. And of course, follow me on my social medias, okay? Bye.